Alright students, this is a demonstration of what your Sumobot should do. As you can see, we have a color sensor attached to the front. This robot is actually not a great Sumobot. You need to look at the directions of what your Sumobot should be able to do and the requirements for the Sumobot. But this is going to demonstrate what the Sumobot should do. So as you can see, there's a black ring. Your Sumobot should stay inside the ring and be capable of backing up whenever it detects the black ring. It should also wait 5 seconds before you press wait 5 seconds after you press the start button. So for example, I'll be the judge. I'm going to start all the robots at the same time. There will be 2 robots in the ring, and the goal is to push the other robot out of the ring. So once I press start, you'll see the Sumobot blink 5 times, and it will then get into moving and detecting the black line. So as you can see, it's detecting the black line, and when it detects the black line, it backs up. Your Sumobot should do that, and when another robot gets in its way, it'll hopefully push it out of the ring. So that's the goal. Push the opponent out of the ring. Good luck.